Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. As today, we're going to continue our episode number 18 for the requirement analysis for some of the other master degree courses in engineering sciences in mechanical engineering for summer semester and winter semester both complete. And at this criteria, we got our 69th search criteria or 69 list. In that, we have already covered 17. Today, it will be 18th. In the previous video, if you remember, we also did the TU Braunschweig video for computational mechanics. At first, we started with requirement analysis in that. Then, furthermore, we also did the 2 parts of application video on showing you how to apply for that particular college. If you have not seen this, I suggest you guys to please watch that video and the application video for all courses for English language course for master degree courses. TU Braunschweig is up to March 15th. So you have ample amount of time to apply for that particular course. So please, I make sure I tell you, please go and check out TU Braunschweig, and whichever the course that you interest you, then please apply. Upon this, today we will be doing our computer aided concept and production in mechanical engineering, which is KAME, and it will be in Rwth Aachen. So usually this course is an international course of Rwth, and it will be 6,000 to 5,500 euros per semester. So this will be the one extra thing I just wanted to mention you guys before you get into this particular course. Before we start our DAR website requirement analysis, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis at first. In the requirement analysis, we just go through the colleges, what are the colleges that are there for any of the German university for mechanical engineering, computer science, civil engineering, etc., or any other all domains of engineering. After that, we also check for the requirements and registration, what are the admission documents that you need to submit in order to get the admission. After that, then what are the deadlines that you need to be aware of while applying. Then we will also make videos on how to apply step by step and particular videos. So without any delay, we'll get started with today's video, which is KAME in Rwth Aachen University. The degree is Master of Science, and the course location is in Aachen, and the teaching language is complete English. This complete English course, so you don't need to study in any of the German language course, or you don't need to have also German language requirement in order to study this particular course. And the course taught entirely in English. That means you will be studying all your 90 credit points of your course in English, where you will also do your master thesis and write your master thesis in English. So no need to worry. And program duration is 4 semesters. The beginning of semester is only in winter semester. And the application deadline, non-EU applicants can apply between 2nd December to 1st March. And the application then it is also open for this particular winter semester. So you already know what will be the next application videos, and it will be for 1st March. So I have to make videos, and the next videos will be for 26th and 28th. Then you will be having like 2 or 3 days, and I am not sure it will be also released before the application is finished. So yeah, that will be the thing. So if you didn't get, or if you don't want to apply, then you can use the same application video for next particular time. But the main thing is, this is a paid course, and it will be costing you around 24,000 in 4 semester complete. And combined degree program not possible, joint degree is also not possible. And this is the studies that you will be doing: conception mechanics or production of mechanics, depending on which specialization you will be choosing. But we will get to know how the complete 4 semester of course is divided, where you will study your choice on study track. In the concepts of mechanics, you will study about design oriented tasks. You will focus on development and application of modern software based methods focused on construction and dimensioning structural and systems, the use of complex technical drawings, improvement of digital model and design according to operational requirements. In the production of mechanics, you will do the development and use of software based tools and solution modern industry production, etc. And the course details, that doesn't have any of our information. It has just directly said the track specific compulsory courses and elective and integrated mobility window, complete 9 weeks of internship that you need to do along with the studies. And after your 9 weeks of internship, which will be technically for 6 months, you will do your mini thesis with the research institute. If you don't get an internship, then you will do a mini thesis with the research institute, depending upon what you want to do. If you get internship, then please do it. If you don't get it, then you can also do it by doing a research thesis or mini thesis in the research institute. Then you will have to do 2 language course and linguistic elective, and then the master degree course, master thesis at the end, in order to finish your degree. And final, after defending your master thesis, you will get your diploma supplement awarded as usual. Then international elements, language training provided, projects with partners Germany and abroad, integrated optional study abroad opportunity for student work and specialist literature in other language. Integrated and optional study abroad, yes, there is a integrated study abroad internship that you can do in any other countries if you want to pursue your internship. Then integrated internship, we already talked, it will be 9 weeks, usually 9 weeks nobody gives, so it will be technically like a 6 months internship. Tuition fees, this will be the main thing I just told you. It will be 24,000 euros per year for complete course. So please make sure you are aware of this and don't think that it is normal free education like other university. You have to possess 24,000 euros plus at the first year you have to also block your blocked account, and that blocked account money will be divided into 12 parts so that it will be help in your cost of living for 900 to 1000 euros that they are saying. And funding opportunity within the university is possible, where you will also get women in engineering scholarship, high potential student grant, where you will get a scholarship of supported higher quality student. The scholarship grant reduce your tuition fees by 25%, and global talent scholarship, outstanding performance award. So this is also one thing where if you outstand or you get good grades in your particular class, then you will also get a 50% tuition fees waiver for that particular person. But the main thing would be, in order to get into this particular course, what are the requirements and what are the documents that you need to have. First thing is, you need to have a bachelor degree or bachelor of technology or bachelor of science in mechanical engineering or related discipline. But for me, I would say it's production engineering or mechanical engineering side. So people who are basic knowledge of mechanical engineering, then please apply. Then relevant work experience for at least 6 months by the time of application. So they are asking at least you would have done 6 months of internship or a complete work experience, then it would be helpful. So if they are asking for at least 6 months of internship or 6 months of application experience, then for sure if you are a person who is pursuing, then you can't apply. You need to have a bachelor degree already completed. Then you need to have a GRE exam with at least 145 in verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning of 160, analytical writing 3 points. So this will be one mandatory requirement. Then the English language requirement, you need to have IELTS minimum of 6, which will be B2. Then there is no German language requirement because it's a complete English language course. And application deadline, we already know it is 2nd December to 1st March, and the application we have to do it in online application portal of Rwth Aachen University official website. After that, once you get your admission, once you get your admission letter, with that you will get your student visa. After you have student visa, with that student visa you are eligible to work 140 half days and 280 full days. 140 full days and 280 half days. You can just work as a non-technical jobs like working in a restaurant or doing any of the lager shops. But if you get any of the technical jobs, then you can also do it as a work student, HEV, internship, thesis, etc. in any of the companies and earn money too. Accommodation, usually they will be having student in dorm across RWTH Aachen campus. So everybody suggests you to get there, because there you will get 1 cheaper accommodation, and 2 you will be inside your community, so that you won't be thinking like you are already lost in the new country. So it will be beneficial. Then course advertising service will be always there, where they will also help you in career program advice and coaching, career platform, etc. Support and international student, where you will have welcome event, cultural linguistic preparation, visa matters, etc, etc. And about the university, I don't think I need to tell about RWTH Aachen. It is one of the top second college in Germany after TU Munich, and it will be almost ranked below 100 in any world ranking. Also, it's one of the reputed college. So please make sure if you get there, even though if you can afford the tuition fees, then go. If you don't get admission, or if you can't afford the tuition fees, then you will also have plenty of application. So in the next videos, I don't think I will be making application video, because it is not useful for you guys. But if you want, then please comment it on this particular video, then if I'll think, and if you need, I will make a video. But yeah, this is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in today's video of application or requirement analysis episode number 18. So see you in next videos. Until then, check care. Bye bye.